I'm going to explore the outdoors as an artist. I will sketch what inspires me and photograph the beautiful natural world around me. This field of pink, red, and white flowers is stunning. Let me try to capture the beauty. Okay, let me add more pink. I love how this turned out. Blossoms, lavender. Ooh, look at this vibrant yellow. Creation is so lovely. I will hang these photographs in the Wellie Wishers Playhouse. This frog art statue has all the colors of the rainbow. This will be a challenge to sketch. Blue shading. I see yellow and orange. Ooh, and purple. I love to experiment. Let's give a black background to brighten the colors.
Yay! It came out great! I'm so glad I challenged myself. How does it look?
What a fun day! I love days where I can explore my inner artist and nature too.
Now it's your turn to go outside and get creative.